Hi everyone, it's Bree from Be Minor Music here. I'm going to show you how to do some tapping stick songs at home. Now if you don't have tapping sticks, that's fine. You might have a look in your garden and you can find some sticks from the garden, or you might have some chopsticks that you can use, or you might have some wooden spoons. My favourite sound of all. Now if you don't have any of those, you might have a scrap piece of paper and a pencil, and what you do is you pop the pencil into the paper and you roll it up nice and tightly, and then just grab a little bit of sticky tape and you tape up the edges, and they make a really cool tapping stick as well. So I'm just going to tape it along the sides like that, and let's hear how cool they sound. Ready? Pretty cool sound. Now, let's all grab our tapping sticks together and we're going to do an Aboriginal lullaby. Now, the Aboriginal people are our first Australians and we play on their land every single day. Can you tap your sticks together like this? Well done. Inna nega puana, hey ola, ula ula. Ula epi epi, guana 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 choo, guana 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 choo. Inna nega puana, hela, ula ula, ula epi epi. Guana 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 choo. Guana 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 choo. Well done everybody. Give yourselves a tapping stick clap. Alright, now we're going to do some soft and loud. Now soft in music is called piano. Can everyone play piano? And then loud in music is forte. Let's start off by doing some piano. Tapping, tapping, piano, tap, tapping, tapping, just like that. Roll them over, so now get ready, off we go. Tapping, tapping, forte, tap, tapping, tapping, just like that. Roll them over, so now get ready, off we go. Tapping, tapping, piano, tap, tapping, tapping, just like that. Roll them over, so now get ready, off we go. Tapping, tapping, forte, tap, tapping, tapping, just like that. Roll them over, so now get ready, off we go. Tapping, tapping, piano, tap, tapping, tapping, forte, tap, tapping, tapping, piano, tap, tapping, tapping, forte, tap. Well done, everybody. Give yourselves a tapping stick clap. Yay! Now this time we're going to bang our sticks together twice and then we're going to bang them on the floor. So tap, tap, bang. Tap, tap, bang. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. They're the days of the week. At night we sleep and during the day we dance and sing, and we will rock you. Rock you, singing we will rock you. Here we go again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. They're the days of the week. At night we sleep and during the day we dance and sing, and we will rock you. Rock you, singing we will rock you, rock you. Well done everybody, give yourselves another tapping stick clap. Fantastic. I had so much fun tapping with you today. Stay tuned and I'll have another video up for you all soon. Bye, have a great day.